when I tell you my heart came out of my mouth, I was just like, how do you know? That means he was stalking me, right? Hi guys. So I was supposed to go out today. I was supposed to go to Plan B, and जिस दिन मुझे कुछ भी करना होता है ज़िंदगी में, उसी वक्त बारिश, तूफान, आंधी सब कुछ होगा. और अब इतनी तेज़ बारिश हो रही है, इतनी तेज़ बारिश हो रही है कि मैं तो you can't even put like your fingers outside. It is so bad. So there goes my Plan B के plans. Like bye. मुझे चिकन विंग्स खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा था यार.
I don't know because I haven't gone in such a long time, but apparently it's not how it used to be, and a lot of stuff has changed, and a lot of complaints about the place. So if you all go there, do let me know so I'll know where and when to go. But
So instead of that, I thought, why not I finish my story time that I was supposed to do a long time ago, but I'm a little lazy, little bit. तो टाइम लगता है मुझे चीज़ें करने में, जो मुझे करना होता है वो नहीं होता है. But story was about when I almost got arrested for खुशी देखो मेरी शक्ल में. Yeah, I didn't get arrested, but when I almost got arrested for and I was in college. Okay, it was an all girls college.
there was a lot of things happening at that point, okay, and college में ही. And of course I wasn't a part of all of that nonsense. मैं तो college जाती नहीं थी.
So obviously not obviously, but like bunk मारना वो तो चलता ही रहता था हमारा. And so one day I got a text from a random number, and I was a part of this group of friends, and I was like the only girl in the group at that time. And we were all like neighbors, so हम गली गली में रहते थे, so we all used to hang out together and all of that, like from small. Okay, so when this message came in, I thought it was a prank from one of them only, and it was like you have to come for a narcotics test. And I'm like, what? So I thought they were just joking around, and I'm calling them and asking them ki, who is it? And no, I replied back to the number, and I'm like, who is it? Stop, fooling around and all of that. But then that person didn't stop, okay? The messages kept coming in. And you're just like, if you don't show up, the police will come to your house and all of that. Like, बहुत साल पहली words, I don't really remember exactly what were the words and all of that. But yes, this kept on going. And then at one point I realized that it is serious. It's not one of my friends. And then we texted the same number from my friend's number. So we called the guy and all of that. He was just like, no, you have to come for a narcotics test. We've got information, like we have names of a few people, and even your name is on that. And if you don't come, we're going to come to your college and, take you from there and go and all of that. And I'm just like, मैं तो कुछ करती नहीं हूँ. तो why? So I wasn't worried because I hadn't done anything. But the way this guy went on and on, so at one point obviously I got sick, daru piti thi and all of that. So I was just like, what if they go to college and say stuff ki ye bunk maar rahi hai, ye wo kar rahi hai and all of that. So I was just like, so it went on for like a week and stuff, and it was so scary कि my friends used to come to college to pick me up. कि like सारे लड़के एक बंदे को लेने के लिए आते थे college, and when they started coming to college also was so our college washrooms were terrible. Okay, like till date I cannot use the washrooms outside. Okay, like I have a very big problem with all of that stuff. So हमारे कॉलेज के बाजू में, like right next to our college was Shangri-La. Okay, and so whenever we wanted to use the washroom, anything, we used to go to Shangri-La. Okay, so even when all of this nonsense was happening with this narcotics test and all of that, so in the afternoon I took my friend. I'm like, I really wanna, मुझे washroom जाना है, and can we go? So we went to Shangri-La. She came with me. We went to Shangri-La, came back, and evening when I came back home, I'm getting a message from this guy saying, I saw you going to Shangri-La. And yeah, नहीं क्या बोला था, but yeah, he was like, I saw you going to Shangri-La. when I tell you my heart came out of my mouth, I was just like, how do you know? That means he was stalking me, right? So I was अभी तक मेरा ना उड़ा हुआ है. I was like, what? I freaked out. At that point, I had lost it. I'm like, okay, this is very, very serious. And then from that time, my friends used to come like pick me up from college and all of that. So I had to tell my mom now. Okay, so I told my mom कि ऐसा हो रहा है, and I don't know what to do because I haven't done anything. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैं तो सुधरी हुई बच्ची हूँ, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया जिंदगी में. And I'm like, मम्मा क्या करूँ मैं? And then she's like, okay, she also tried, calling this that, but वो उठाया नहीं बंदे ने. And then it started becoming more. He used to keep texting me every day, keep come for a narcotics test and all of that. वरना ये होगा वो होगा blah blah blah. And then mom was like, you haven't done anything, right? And I'm like, no. And then she was like, why are you getting scared? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know why I'm getting scared. And then she's like, कोई नहीं, we'll go to college. We'll talk to the head and all of that. So like, okay. So एक दिन मम्मी आई, so it was a convent thing. Okay, so there was a sister, she was like the principal. So we went to her and we showed her messages and all कि ऐसा है, and we're like, we haven't done anything, so why is this happening? Then she tells us कि हाँ, a guy came to us and asking to meet me. Okay, that guy asked her to call me down to the office to meet me. But thank God, the principal, she's like, no, until you come. He's like, I'm from the police, narcotics test, ye wo. But she was like, nahi, till you have a warrant and all of that, till you have it in written, I am not going to call my student down. And we can't risk our student because without any proof and all of that. So he's like, okay. और वो चला गया था उस दिन. So then she tells us this कि ऐसा he had come, but I said no to getting her down or anything. And then she's like, don't worry, you go to the police complaint कर देना. So that as soon as we came back home, we went to the police station, and a very sweet officer, he took the phone from my hand, called that guy, इतना सुनाया बंदे को, इतना सुनाया. And he's like, if you want to take a test, you come to this police station this time in the morning and you can take a test over here. वो बंदे का block, no message, कुछ भी नहीं उसके बाद. And after that, I got to know it wasn't only me. He's done it to a few other girls in college too. And he was a scam artist or whatever. Yeah, he was scamming them, saying कि ऐसा पैसे ले रहा था and all of that. So to my luck, मैं बच गई, and my mom had enough trust in me. But that was a very, very scary experience. And next time anything happens like this way to you guys, please आराम से बैठ के सोचो. First, there are a lot of people around you that can help you. So open up, talk about it to someone. Maybe they have something that they can help you out in a certain way. They'll know what to do better. So even in the start, I wasn't opening up. I was so scared कि किसको बता भी नहीं रही थी. But then once I told my mom and my friends and all, they were there and they were helping me out कि कुछ नहीं होगा, हम हैं. We got it all sorted out. But I know there were a few people that it happened to didn't have that kind of support, and they ended up losing a lot of stuff, and there was a lot of issues after that. So please be very careful of people like that. Especially आजकल तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है ये scam वैम की चीज़ें, तो please be very, very careful what you do. Anyways, that's my story on how I almost got arrested for narcotics. मैं तो उसके बिना ही पागल हूँ, क्या करूँगी लेके. But anyways guys, see you next time. Bye.